the type. And another gallery right here. What is it? It's just dedicated to Christmas random things. So Christmas and Iran. Do you remember the last year that shocking video of the Christmas? This was this neighborhood. This is not just one of the Armenian neighborhood. There are like 3 different major Armenian neighborhood. It has nothing to do with anything. I mean, if you're Armenian, you could live whatever the fuck you want, but people just love to just get close to each other, not very, you know, there's no diversity in Iran. You never see a black people in Tehran. You never see some Chinese type, I mean East Asian types of in Tehran. Almost everyone in Asia is a racist, but Iranians are very different because they haven't even experienced different types of social encounter, I mean social cultural encounter, or confronting with other cultures. Anyway, and as you can see, everyone in every neighborhood, almost everyone has the same cars, same types of buildings, and the life and the food and the story to tell you, and whatever the magic is in their mind. And even if they're like Armenian, Jewish, or non-believer, atheist, doesn't matter, doesn't change anything. They're living the same types of thing. And if you think I'm just making this stuff up, it was like 2 weeks ago. There was a documentary on PBS. You could watch it on YouTube channel on PBS. There was a talking, it's like a propaganda around the Jewish community in Tehran. And everyone in the video is just talking about how nice it is to be Jewish and to be in Iran and whatever. And of course, they're just find those people who are just have some attachment to the government or whatever. This is one of those sports center. There was a Christmas tree in the sports center of the Armenian. Whatever. Let me just cover my face somehow. It's a little bit early for the Armenian to celebrate Christmas, because as you know, this Christianity is crazy religion. Everyone has his own idea of what is it, the Christmas, when was the you know, the birth of the Jesus, when was it, what the hell happened or whatever. There are tons of nonsense story in every stupid religion. And yeah, there's some decoration, but I don't think I could find the actual Christmas tree. Oh, that was a plum that was blocked by the Iranian authority, maybe for God's know what the hell, maybe for just because he didn't pay the taxes or something, or God's know what the hell is going on. This is the very rare Christmas one, and there's nothing much to see. And Armenians are the same people as the Iranians, so they are sensitive to the camera or vlogging or whatever the fuck. And this one is just a famous, I think, so far, at least for the BBC or whatever, in types of, they're taking the picture of it and they're showing it as like a sign of the progressive community of the Tehranian people who are just celebrating Christmas or whatever the hell. And he made get some benefit out of it. I mean, as you know, advertisement, free ad. But anyway, some names are bizarre. Some names are Armenian, some names are just completely mine. So the streets are just has to be named after some prophet, like this Imam Ali, or the Nabuvat or Beheshti was martyrs, one of the religious Iranian martyrs after the revolution. So these streets are in very weird kind of encountering, are just named after like West 4th Alley, something like that. And it is weird because it's supposed to be after named after some prophet or whatever, but it hasn't and it doesn't, and it makes it really Armenian thinky. I mean, think about it. No one actually, not no one, but very rare people from the Armenian community or Jewish community have fought for the Iranian community in general during the Iran and Iraq war, which it was like a, you know, just a public war. I mean, it wasn't like a religious war or whatever. The whole country was in this street is just named after the martyrs, and the name is the Islamic name. There's very rare you could actually find the Armenian what is it? The Armenian martyrs. They rarely fought for the Iran, and it's really weird. The fuck? What the hell? There was lots of dust. So it is what it is. That was everything I could do in this neighborhood, and there's not much Christmas. That is one of the Christmas decoration store. And this is a flower shop. What a shock. And there's nothing there. I mean, there's nothing like a sign of a Christmas decoration or whatever. Anyway, never mind. Christmas decoration is just a fancy things here. I mean, lots of people, even though they're not even believing in Islam or Christianity or whatever, they're doing Christmas decoration as kind of a protest to the Iranian government. Usually you're gonna see those people in northern part of the Tehran. They're doing these crazy things. They just love the fact of they're not part of the Iranian, kind of a goofy hipster thinky, and Iranian hipster thinky. They'll love to not show themselves as part of the Iranian general community. I mean, you're not gonna see something like this in anywhere on earth. As how much Iranian people actually not, if they're not giving a damn, at least they're not so enthusiastic towards their own heritage as the Persians. So